Want to withdraw your crypto from OKX to your personal wallet? Here's how to do it step by step. First, log into your OKX account and head to the Assets section. From there, select Withdraw. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to move, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Then paste your wallet address. For example, for BTC, find BTC and then receive, and then copy the wallet address and paste it in OKX. Make sure you select the right network that matches your wallet like ERC20, TRC20, or BSC to avoid losing funds. Next, enter the withdrawal amount. OKX will automatically show you the network fee before confirming. Double check everything, especially the wallet address and network. Once confirmed, OKX will ask for verification security, usually a code from your email or authenticator app. Complete that step and your withdrawal will be processed. And that's it, your crypto is now safe in your own wallet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.